You can help a child understand more and less by putting some small objects in two groups. For example, you could put 5 in one group and 3 in another group. Together, you can count how many are in each group. You can ask the child which group has more, and they can point at it. And you can ask, which one has less? Then you can make 2 different groups and ask the same questions. Which has more? Which has less? A child's understanding of more and less will prepare them for learning to add and subtract.